In today's video, I'll show you how you can get a custom URL on YouTube in 2020. I'm not going to waste your time here, so here's how you can change your URL to a custom one. If it helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. So first things first, you need to make sure you're logged into your account here, and click on your channel icon, and then go to settings. Once you're in settings, it will take you to the back end of your YouTube channel, and here you want to click on channel status and features. Now what you need to do, if you haven't done this already, you need to verify your channel with a phone number, and it's going to give you all of these features here. So once you've verified your channel with a phone number, you're going to get like every single one of these features, and that includes this one here, which is a custom URL. So we can click claim it here, and it will take us to the advanced settings page, and here you can change your custom URL. But a little bit to know about the custom URLs, if you click on learn more, it's actually going to tell you the requirements for a custom URL. They are 100 subscribers, your channel must be 30 years old, you must have a channel icon, and you must have a channel art. If you don't have 100 subscribers, which I guess is the hardest one, comment down below and we'll try and help each other out here. So once you've hit all the requirements, you can go back, and what you can do is you can click on you're eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. That's going to then open up this new box here, and here you're going to be able to get a custom URL. So my custom URL will be youtube.com/channel/knowledgebase step-by-step tutorials, because that is my username on YouTube. Now if I wanted a different URL, I could go and change my username. If I just wanted KnowledgeBase, for example, I could just remove step-by-step tutorials from my username, which you can change at any time, and it will then change the custom URL. Now I don't think you can change your custom URL too often, maybe like once every 90 days, so when you do change it, make sure that it's the one you want to keep. But if you do make a mistake, or if you do change your username further down the line, you can delete it and you can create a new one, but you can't have multiple custom URLs at the same time. So I hope that helped you out. Please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.